Hello students, this is Savita Pawar. Welcome to my channel Get the Math. In this video we are going to see the constructions of exercise 11.2 of lesson 11 constructions. The basic constructions that we have seen in exercise 11.1, I have shared the video in the I link above. So let us start with exercise 11.2 now. First one is, here we have to construct a triangle ABC in which BC is given as 7 cm, B is 75 and sum of the two sides AB plus AC is given as 13 cm. Okay, so now here sum of the sides, two sides or the subtraction of the two sides, such cases we have to see. So we have to construct such triangles. Now first draw BC as 7 cm, that is given. BC equal to 7 cm. With B as a center, construct 90 degree, this with the dotted line, and that B is 75 degree, that is given. So you know 75 comes between 60 and 90. So keep the rounder on 60 and taking length up to 90, make an arc here. This one, make an arc like this. Once from 60 degree, then the other from the 90 degree. This will be your 75 and extend this line, make it long up to x here. So XBC is your 75 degrees. Okay. Now taking B as a center and the length equal to, that is given by addition. So that length 13, take it on the rounder and with B as a center, make an arc. This will be your point D. Then join DC. Okay. Now what you have to do? On DC you have to draw this perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector, that is you have to find the center point of this line. So DC. Now keep the rounder here and taking more than half of this DC and make these arcs, this one and this one from point C, and keeping the same length on the rounder and keeping the rounder at point D. Now cut the previous arc, this one, and join this line that you can see in blue color here, and extend the line so as you should cut the line BD and you get a point here as A. So join AC now. So ABC is your required triangle. So this is the way to draw a triangle when addition of two sides have been given. This one is construct a triangle in which BC is 8 here, B is 45 and subtraction of two sides is 3.5 it is given. So whatever the length that is given of a single line segment, that you have to draw at the base. So BC, here I have drawn it as 8 cm, BC as 8 cm. Okay, then with B as a center, draw 90 first, this one, and then you know how to draw 45, taking, this is the 45 is the bisector of 90 degrees, so make these arcs here. So this will be 45 and join and extend this line from B to X here, this is X here. Okay, so BX is your, XBC is your 45 degrees. Now with B as a center and taking length equal to 3.5, cut this arc, this is your D point, and join DC. Okay. Now on DC you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So with the blue that I have shown, it is the perpendicular bisector. Keep the rounder at C and taking more than half of CD, make these arcs on above and below of the line segment CD, and join that line and extend it till it cuts the line XB. So this is the point A. Then join AC. So ABC here, that is in black color, is your required triangle. So whenever it is given subtraction, the triangle is the larger one, and whenever it is given addition, the triangle comes to be the smaller one. Same thing as above that we have seen in question 2. It is given subtraction here. See, QR is 6 cm, angle Q is 60, PR minus PQ is 2 cm. So repeat the same process. QR is 6 centimeter. Draw QR. Now this is angle 60. So no need to draw 90 here. So just by making an arc of 60 and extend the line, that is XP here. Okay, so this is X. So XQ. Then by taking Q as a center and taking radius equal to 2 centimeter on the rounder, make this arc at point D and join DR. Okay, now take the perpendicular bisector of DR and extend this blue line that I have shown to cut the previous line, that is XQ. The point where it cuts the line XQ is your point P, and then join PQ. Therefore, PQR is your required triangle. Now this is somewhat different here. Here perimeter is given as 11, since the addition of all the sides has been given, so it is perimeter. So perimeter is given as 11, Y is 30 and Z is 90. So two of the angles have been given and perimeter is given. So how to draw in such case? So if perimeter is given, draw the length of that perimeter. So let it be PQ but. So this is 11 centimeter. The whole length is here 11 centimeter. Now one angle is 30, other is 90. So draw here 30. First this is 60. And then take the bisector, that is 30, that I have shown with the dotted line, and this is your 90 at Q. So draw 90. This is the dotted line, and they intersect each other at point R. Okay, then for 30 draw the bisector, angle bisector, so that I have shown with the orange color here. So that is the bisector of 30 here, and also draw the bisector of 90, so that is 45. These two lines meet at point X here. Okay, now take the bisector, side bisector or the perpendicular bisector of XP, taking length more than half of XP, and draw these arcs from X and P. You get this bisector here, perpendicular bisector. So the same thing that you have to do on XQ also, taking length of XQ more than half and draw these bisectors here. Okay, and then these bisectors cut the line segment PQ at point Y and Z respectively, and then join XY and XZ. So this is your required triangle XYZ. Okay, where addition of the length XY plus XZ and YZ is equal to 11, and your Y angle is 30 degrees and Z angle is 45 degrees. So now this is not up to the scale, as this is the only figurative symbolic representation of that figure, but you have to draw it with the scale and the rounder, so you will get a perfect diagram. Construct a right triangle whose base is 12 and sum of the hypotenuse and other side is 18. So base is given 12. Angle is 90 since it is right angle triangle, and sum of the two sides, that is hypotenuse, and the other side is given as 18 here. So this is as you have done earlier in question 1 and 3. So draw the base as 12, then construct B angle, that is 90 degree. Okay, extend this line, that is your X here. Okay, so XBC is 90 degree. Then by taking B as a center and on the rounder taking length equal to 18 centimeter, draw this arc that cuts the XB at point D and join DC here. Then take the perpendicular bisector of DC or CD, this one with the blue line. It cuts the line XB or DB at point A and join AC. So ABC is your required right angle triangle. So this was all about your exercise 11.2. If you have any query, drop it in the comment box. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, Get the Math.